Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Beauty Meets Business. I am your girl, the empowering Angel Robinson, and today we're talking about Nadula. Yes, Nadula is a hair company, and you guys know I usually don't do reviews, but I had to do this one. This hair is gorgeous, and I'm gonna do the installation on the comb, so stay with me. I'm gonna go bleach the knots, I'm gonna pluck the hairline, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly step by step how to lay this damn sew in. See you guys soon. Deuces. Alright beautiful people, to complete this look you will need thread, a scalp dressing, weaving cap, elastic bands, clips, tweezers, shears, and combs. You will also need 3 bundles of the beautiful Brazilian 16-inch Nadula hair, along with the 14-inch lace closure. This hair is beautiful, you guys, I'm telling you. Nadula is also giving away this hair at the end of the video, so you guys stay tuned. Look how beautiful this hair is. You want to win this. Alright you guys, right here I want you to understand this fold method. So I never cut the tracks, and what I do is, so it don't be lumpy, I take one a little farther up away from the other one, and then I fold, and then it creates a flatter illusion versus folding both tracks at the same time, creating this bulkiness. But this way you take the, you just sew it a little bit above the other one. I need to sew it down just a little bit more. You sew this one just a little bit above the other one. See how that's just a little bit above the other? And then you take it back and voila, look at that, the thing is flat. That I got the part right where she likes it, I'm gonna go ahead and put some foam on it and put her under the dryer. Yay! This is the fun part. And we got the foam on. We're gonna put her under the dryer to keep this molded and keep her part straight. So we see you guys in about 20 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. She is gorgeous. I love this hair. Look at the shine. I didn't use anything but Shape and Hold holding spray by Nairobi on this hair. And I use my Solano 1-inch flat irons. And this thing is, I'm talking about flawless. Look at this. I love it. I can appreciate Nadula Hair Company. I hope you guys do as well. Like I said, you only have to do two things to win the hair, to be part of the giveaway. You have to follow us on Impact 10,000 Stylist on Instagram, and you have to subscribe to Nadula Hair right here on YouTube. Simply go over right now, follow us on Instagram at Impact 10,000 Stylist, and subscribe to Nadula Hair Company right here on YouTube. I really appreciate you guys. You need to understand that you are purpose beyond the chair. And remember, at all times, you are unstoppable. Deuces.